Yes, sir. I was just getting the streams going.
All right. I don't know how you feel what the market's gonna do today.
Give me 1 second. I'm gonna dive right into that. Just getting these streams going here.
All right. Yeah, and what's crazy, we in between. Damn, it's like 2 VWAP.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. First off, good morning, YouTube. Thursday, November 20th. We're live, gentlemen. We're live. We're ready to make some more money today. Hopefully, you guys are going to stay safe in the markets. Don't do anything I want to do. Awesome. Well, for the overnight session, so we had news come out at 8:30 this morning. That's the big green candle we got on the chart on the 2-minute. And now we do have news, I believe, at 10 o'clock as well. Yeah, we have news at 10 o'clock as well. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, sir. As it sits right now, we're above the close from yesterday. The close from yesterday was 24,958.75. So nice little gap up from the close from yesterday. We do have a pivot point below us. We do have the 21 EMA below us and the VWAP below us. So we got a lot of stuff underneath us that could potentially pull us down here. So honestly, I'm gonna be looking for some bear flags to potentially take us lower. But if this thing wants to keep going up like a rocket ship, we're not complaining if it wants to. We'll jump on and hold on tight.
I got Nick, sucker.
Did everyone have a good day yesterday?
Oh yeah.
That's what we like to hear.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what we like to hear. Good morning, Barry. Barry, I don't normally trade gold. I do look at it from time to time because we do have people that trade it, but I'm mainly focused on the NQ.
Your wedding ring is also gold, so you look at it there too.
But Barry, hold up. I thought you did not trade, sir. What happened?
Yo, G.
I did take a trade this morning.
And you're
not going to lie. So I'm currently up for the day, almost $2,000 for the day.
Yeah, but those are pesos. Those are pesos.
I slept so good last night. Like nothing like sleeping in your own bed, you know. Vacation's fun, traveling's always fun, but there's nothing better than sleeping in your own bed.
Yeah, but you don't have the pool is not 3 steps away.
The pool was, well, actually, it may be like 4 steps. 4 steps.
You need to add a slide from your bedroom to the pool in your house. That way you can just...
That'd be pretty gnarly, having a slide from the bedroom. But my bedroom's already sitting on the patio, so it wouldn't be a fast slide. It'd be like a slow moving slide to the pool because there's
like
no...
It's a motorized sled.
Gotcha, Barry. I'm looking at a flag here on the 2-minute. I'm drawing my trading view real quick, just so I can draw it out here. We don't have the big pull that we normally like.
Look at what just happened.
I know. As soon as I put the line there, I want to bounce. Maybe I should move that line. I should probably move that line out the way.
I hear G. He's getting ready.
Oh, we're all getting ready. We're excited. We got these wicks on those candles right there for that selling pressure. Let me just put that up over there. So that way it doesn't hold up the market for everyone.
How was the flight home, sir?
The flight home was pretty good. The kids were just crazy on the flight coming home. But other than that, it was good.
What was it? You put a picture up of like a big cavernous space, and I didn't know what it was.
Yeah, so that was whenever we wanted to walk to like the bus station or like the kids club, everything. That's the path we would have to take to get there.
Okay, gotcha. There's Big G in the background. I hear Big G.
Yeah, I'm gonna mute Big G. He's having other conversations back there. Don't want those going on the stream.
No, he's telling the market what it needs to do. You get above that VWAP. You get above that VWAP and stay there.
Ready for market open here. Excited to see what the market does this morning. We got less than 3 minutes now. Less than 3 minutes for market open. Try and make $1 or $2. Why does this thing keep moving on me? What's going on here? That's wrong. Slightly confused. Did I mess with this? It's like slowly panning. Yeah, let me fix that. All right, Barry's saying it's going to be a big drop at market open here. A big drop from Barry Allen in the chat. Let's see if he's right. Let's see if Barry's going to be right today. Oh, that thing ain't gonna be moving. Hopefully. Let me get my chart pulled back up. All right, there we go. Looking at my trading view, we could potentially waterfall here. It's completing the bear flag. Want to see the follow through on the Renko bars. I did put my line there, so be careful, Barry. That boy, well, starting the process is actually pretty simple. First thing I recommend you to do is not use your own money to start trading. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money.
It's 24 seconds still open. Oh, great one.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, sir. So I recommend trading with a prop firm because it gives you the best leverage on your capital. You can literally pay less than $100 to get an eval, and you can learn on the eval before you get a funded account, and you just keep it moving from there. My recommendation is find a simple strategy that you can duplicate each and every day. Here comes the market open here. 5 seconds, gentlemen. 5 seconds for market open.
2.
We got that big old wick. Let's see what happens. All right. We're open. We're open.
Have you talked to the Moose Meister?
I have not talked to Moose since I've been back.
I wonder if he's out fighting crime again.
As he was saying, he's out there working. We got that big old wick right there on that candle. We do have that big wick on that candle. Starting a waterfall down here. Like I said, we got that pivot point right below us. That would be the first target. 149.50, 149.50 for that pivot point. We came close. We have not tapped it. Let's see if we get down there. Let's see if we touch that pivot. If not, look at this first opening wick. This is why we wait. This is why we wait.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
All right, we're back. So that was some good news. So we'll take that.
What's the good news, sir?
So one of my customers, and mind you, this is a big corporate company, their check bounced. So I had my managers reach out to them. I'm like, hey, that check bounced back faster than a rubber band. So they cut a new check for us. So
that happened to me. I was working in Hollywood, and I just started a production, and the check bounced, and I was like, "Uh-oh!" But it was. Wait a second, you guys got money. I know what you drive.
Yeah, right? It's like, hold up, something's fishy here.
Yeah, it's not like you're doing like Chalupa Jack. Say, oh, hey, run to the bank on Tuesday, sucker. All right, where are we going?
We got that pivot point. That's what I'm waiting for. I want to see us tap that pivot before I try looking or try to execute any trades here, because we got that VWAP right below it.
Exactly, the pivot and the VWAP. And here we go.
TMSA, morning, sir. Welcome. Are you real? I think so. I think I'm real. I'm not a robot.
No, you're
or am I? Will a robot say that? Who knows?
Remember, I told you months ago you're a robot.
That is true. Steve did tell me like a few months back that I was a robot. So be careful. I may be a robot.
It'd be scary if you were after all these years and you finally came out.
No fake accounts. No fake accounts. Let's see if we build out a bear flag. That's what I'm currently looking for. Still waiting. We got 10 more minutes about for that 9:45. So no rush. Already took a couple trades this morning. Close to $2,000 so far for the day. You're a clinker. See you later, Barry. you have to get at least 500 members on this live, man. Well, we're working on it, man. We're working on it. So far for the channel, we hit a milestone overnight. We're over 70,000 views on the channel. So appreciate everyone that's been watching. That was pretty cool to see. Dropping the first day in Mexico vlog later today. Excited about that. Played it for my girl last night. She approved it, so we should be good to go. And then the next couple ones after, that's when all the fun happens. Good job, Millionaire. We love to see it. We love to see it. Let's see if we get this bear flag to play out. Just been patiently waiting here. We got that VWAP right above the pivot point now. And the low of this tight 15-minute range so far is right above that VWAP as well. No, I'm not using order flow. Well, when I showed it to my oldest son, Barry, he's gonna laugh because he's in the video quite a bit, and he's just trolling. So he's gonna just laugh about how he was trolling myself, his sister, everything like that. So it's gonna be funny when he sees it. So I figure I'll play for them to when they get home from school, and then we'll post it. Then the next two vlogs that get posted from after this one, they'll be at the actual parks we went to. So it'll be a little bit more exciting. Real tight right now, real tight. Just waiting to see what this gives us. Seven more minutes until the 15-minute range is completed. Trying to sit on my hands right now and not just jump into a trade because we don't have the movement right now that we want. We're currently like pretty much sitting in the middle of this 15-minute range so far.
Hey, we don't diddle in the middle.
We do not diddle in the middle. You are correct, Steve. Hopefully today's not a chop day. We do have news at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock today. We got some news coming out as well. Let me double check what news it actually is. Okay, existing home sales at 10 o'clock. So we should get some type of movement. All right, are we going to start pushing down? I honestly want to get below that yellow line on the 2 minute there. Yeah, I'm telling myself that so I don't just jump in prematurely and then get chopped up because no one wants to get chopped up.
We're not getting chopped.
Yeah, no one's trying to get chopped today.
This is like a kind of an insane open. Seriously, it's tight.
extremely tight, but we're going to see. We're going to see what happens here. As long as you have patience and you can hold off as much as possible, you'll be ready for when the move actually happens. Starting to get that selling wick right there on that 2 minute. Got the selling wick on the 5 minute as well. But we need to see these bears start pushing this down pretty aggressively. I want us to come down. We're going to tap that VWAP first now. So we're going to tap that VWAP first. I want to see us either bounce off of the VWAP, push up, or we push right through the VWAP and that pivot point to take us lower. All right, we're coming down to the yellow line. We're coming slowly but surely. We're coming down. All right, there's the yellow line tap. Let's see if we get the follow through. All right, we're getting follow through. All right, there's the VWAP and pivot touch. VWAP and pivot touch just there. Now let's see how we react. I want us to get below that pivot point to take a short. I do not want to take a short above that pivot. So we get below the pivot, all forward taking a short. If we don't get below that pivot, not taking a short.
What, you don't like the chop zone?
Sir, I do not like the chop zone. I've been chopped up way too many times. So I want to avoid the chop as much as possible. We have less than 3 minutes for the 15-minute range to be completed here. Super tight for this opening range. We got that VWAP right below this candle currently. Come on, Betsy. Look at those wicks on the 5-minute chart. We got those long wicks on the bottom of those candles.
Oh, yeah. Look at how tight that 5-minute candle is.
So definitely not trying to jump in front of a moving train. I'll tell you that.
Did you go on any roller coasters down at that place?
They don't have roller coasters. So their theme parks, no roller coasters. They did have like the side-by-sides. They had like big water slides, zip lines. One like zip line where you lay completely flat and you fly like a bird. Stuff like that, but no roller coasters.
And then did you put on a cape?
I was too fat to go on the one where you can fly like a bird. You know what I'm saying? I was 20 pounds over. So
remember what we said. It's not you. It's the roads are weaker.
Mr. Moose, welcome, sir.
He's
What's
back
up?
to fighting crime.
By the way, I got a bone to pick. I missed you guys yesterday. I came on and nobody was on. I was like, I'm leaving.
Well, I was traveling. So G was on. Steve jumped on for a moment. I tried jumping on at the airport just to say hi. But when I got on, only G was there. So I talked to G for a couple minutes and I got off.
Well, I was on in the morning, and then it was like nobody was there, so I closed out of it.
Yeah, it's kind of was yesterday for me. I was like, all right, I'm out of here.
Well, it's good to hear your voice, sir.
Likewise.
Hopefully you're having a good day so far.
Yep.
Andre, good morning. Just seeing your chat there, sir. Hopefully you're having a great morning as well. Welcome, welcome. Super tight range this morning so far. It is officially 9:45, so I'm waiting until 9:46 here to see if this market wants to do something for us. Not a big fan right now. I am up almost $2,000. It's like 1,800 some change. I took 2 trades pre-market today. I saw the momentum and I'm like, I gotta take it. And I took it. The only reason why I'm slightly nervous to try taking, if you're trying to take a short, be hesitant. Only because if you look at the 5 minute, we got these crazy wicks. We have these crazy wicks on all these candles. And the top wicks are starting to get smaller. So be cautious. That's my recommendation. We are right below the 21 EMA, tapping it right there. We got a lot of stuff going on right now. We're right below the 21 EMA. We're right above the VWAP and right above that pivot point as well. So we have a lot going on in a real tight area. All right, starting to push up here. Let's see if we get some good follow through.
Punching out of the 15-minute range.
Close that right there. Just added a couple more dollars. Just added a couple more.
We're above that 15-minute. Oh, are we gonna keep going?
Yeah, we're coming back down, tapping that high of the 15-minute range right there. We're back into the high of the 15 now.
Is it like 51 or something?
The high for my 15-minute range is at 49. 49 for mine.
Okay.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. What we trying to do is, so we popped out that 15 right back into it, which is common, which is very, very common for all of us traders that have been trading together. We know this happens a lot.
Yeah, that's why you don't jump at the first break, because you could get cut up.
Yep, because it normally pulls back in before it really does the big push out. Let's see if we build out a bull flag.
The 2 minutes looking interesting.
Yeah, that's what I've been keeping my eyes on. I've been looking at the 2 minute here.
The 1 minute is hitting the 21 EMA over there. 2 minute too.
Right, serious pullback right there, right to the middle of that 15-minute range. So
hey, what do we not do in the middle?
We don't diddle in the middle. We do not diddle in the middle, sir. It's not worth it. got that wick on that 2 minute showing selling pressure.
My goodness. Textbook.
Let me check something real quick.
It's going down.
Actually, let me rotate. Let me rotate off this account. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, let me just lock in the profit. Let me not try pushing more.
Yeah, you were like keeping that one up for a while too.
You know, like I was like, because I was tempted. But
Okay,
you know what?
We're out of the 15-minute range again. Oh, back in.
All right, rotate it off. Locked in that profit, keep it safe.
5-minute candle's about to quit. And 3 minutes. And it's touching just in that area. Come on. I had to amend my thing because my glasses look like a 0, but I'm putting on my other ones now.
Steve, why has you name as Dr. T on my thing?
Because he's Dr. T today.
Yeah, well, you got a problem with that, sucker?
Oh, I thought I was tripping. I'm like, why does it say Steve?
No, what got me when I was in Mexico, I jump on the stream and I get notified when you guys jump on before I'm on the stream. And it said Esteban joined the stream. I'm like, Esteban?
I'm like, who is that?
I'm like, we don't even have an Esteban in the community yet.
That was Steve the whole time.
Yeah.
Keeping it real. Keeping it real.
I thought I was tripping. I'm like, who the fuck is Esteban? I keep hearing Steve talking and it says right under Esteban. So I literally got out of the Zoom and went back in and it still said Esteban. So I was like, oh well.
Fire's trying to step in here. I would prefer getting out of this 15-minute range before I take a long.
Yeah. And
all right, popping out right there.
Gotta get out conclusively though.
First target to the high side will be 300. 300 for the high side.
There's no momentum right now though. It's like a false promise.
Yeah, that's why we're all holding and waiting. Holding and waiting.
Oh, it's going up. Look like it's about, come on, let's go to that 2. Let's go to 300.
I think that next 5-minute candle is going to take us there and then some.
Going down. Why? Oh, come on, let's go up.
Come on, Bessie.
Just got stopped out. Slightly annoying right there. And watch, we're gonna rip through now. If we rip through here, I'm gonna lose my ish because that's crazy.
Ish.
It's getting ready to go. It's getting ready to go. At least switching over to my take profit account so I can take some profit.
No, maybe now it'll build out a flag like you like. I'd prefer to see a flag. Duane Broom II.
Let's see if we get a bull flag right here. Build out the structure. But I feel like this bad boy is getting primed and ready to just shoot on up here.
It's definitely taking its time.
We're above that 15.
feel like it needs to clear all those wicks, get past that 68 level? Just seems like it's not buoyant.
No.
Come on, Bessie.
Come on. Pump it through. Let's go. Go ahead and rip it. Rip the Band-Aid off. $12.80 right there. $12.80 right there, gentlemen. We'll take that on the take profit account right there. Can't do it any cleaner. I knew we were going. Listen, that's what we're talking. What is your time frame? Well, I'm looking at the 2-minute and the 5-minute mainly. And then this top chart that you see, these are the Renko bars. This is just showing the momentum of the market. So this isn't an actual time frame up top. But the bottom two charts you're seeing, those are the time frames. But 1280 right there. So
I wouldn't want to do it without the Renkos.
Yep. The Renkos are the hack. The Renkos are the hack.
Why'd you call me a hack?
I did not call you a hack, Steve. Do not start with me today. Your boy's feeling good. He got some good sleep last night. We're chilling. Let me rotate over to my other take profit account since we're just on and popping today. Where's my other take? Beautiful. Big old wick on that 2-minute candle.
I look like it's going down now.
But it might be building a flag, hopefully, and we'll pick it up.
Let's see, we build a flag. I'll put my line a little bit higher so we get a little bit further away as well from that 15. SG, what are you trading today?
Me?
No, I said SG, not Steve. You know what I'm saying?
Well, that's one of my handles, SG. You know that. No, seriously. Does this ever happen to you? Okay, so it like alerts on my phone when I do a trade, right? So
yeah.
I haven't done a trade, in a while, and all of a sudden I hear it come through on my phone, like, it's like 10 minutes later. It's like, so I think somebody's like messaging me,
That's weird. I don't get alerts on my phone for trades.
The only way you do it is if you have it on your phone, the Ninja Trader on your phone. That's the only way. That's the only way I get the notification.
Okay.
I might still have it on my phone because months ago when I was camping, I put it on to see if it. But it's like I guess in an emergency, it's a good thing. But I wouldn't want to just trade on that solely.
Yeah. I'm not a big fan of trading on the phone because I feel like you're not able to see all the information as quickly.
Okay, here's my feeling on it. I feel like, trading is like, it's like being present on a date with like a nice woman. And so if you're on your phone, you could be like flopping over and not paying attention. But I want to be able to see everything.
Here comes, all right, so we're coming up to that first target. We're coming up to that first target there. Welcome everyone on the YouTube stream. How's everyone feeling over there? Make sure you are liking the stream if you're up for the day. Even if you're down for the day, make sure you like the stream at least. We appreciate it. Currently up just over $3,000 for the day.
We're going to be pushing towards
close to $4,000.
Dr. Duane.
So we came up to that 299.75. So the next thing is 300. And we already know how the market acts. It's 10 o'clock as well. So we have news coming out right now. So I would hold off a couple minutes, let the market settle. Didn't see any big spikes or anything like that, which is kind of crazy.
It did it earlier. And then
No, we had news at 10 o'clock though.
Oh, okay.
So we didn't get like a big spike or anything like that. For everyone in the chat, where are you guys trading today? Are you trading NQ gold? What are you trading today? Always curious. Just waiting for another trade to execute here. We're below the first target. That first target was the 300.75 level. So not trying to just rush into anything. Want to play it safe since we are up. Let's see if we build out a flag. Oh, wrong way. We do have that big wick for the selling pressure on the 5 minute. Let's see what the 15's doing. Yeah, on the 15, it looks like we're trying to build out a bull flag. So let's just wait to see what the market gives us. We have a pivot point above us up at the 340 area. So 340.50 is the next pivot point above us. Trying to make a couple more dollars. I'm going back to Mexico. I need some more pesos.
You're leaving in 8 days.
I'm not leaving in 8 days. Not from Mexico. Next trip to Mexico is in February. Next month I'll be in Boston for a week for Christmas.
So does your girl have family in Boston?
Yep.
Because I know you took the trip to Boston, but I didn't. I just figured it was just you were just checking out the stuff.
No, yeah. So she's from Boston, so she has family up there. Her sisters, her mom, and them. They're up there. Her uncle, who comes down here for weeks at a time. I think her mom's coming down like a week or two as well.
That's cool.
Yep. We have fun. It's going to be snowing up there too for Christmas. So when you're a Florida boy, you know what I'm saying, living in Florida, you don't get white Christmases. You know what I'm saying? Like, look, we get zero snow.
I'm going to tell you something, man. It's like I can get snow by getting a Costco membership and walking the produce freezer.
Those freezers are freezing. Not gonna lie.
I don't need to be cold. It's like having grandkids. You can hand it back. You get in, you get cold, you're done.
Like, whenever me and my son go in there, because we had to go in those freezers for the milk, because at Sam's, that's where they have all the milk. So we go in there, and you just see him with his head back, blowing out his breath so he can see it. That's how cold it is in there.
Yep.
If you're new to this stream, put new in the chat so I can welcome you guys. That was a little, I don't like that little move right there. Very sporadic.
It's sporadic and it's going down.
which I'm fine. It could go down or up. Doesn't matter to me. But I don't like sporadic. We don't like sporadic.
So we want to have they want to have a methodology to it.
Yep. So maybe the news got released late. I'm not sure. I don't like how that just moved like that. But this is another reason why we put lines on the charts. So that way, if we don't go through that line, we're not even looking at taking a trade. We have to do simple things, gentlemen, to save us from ourselves. That's why I doodle on the chart. So that way, I'm not just jumping in on every move. I've done that. I lost a lot of money doing that. It's not worth it. This bad boy, I don't know, gentlemen. Coming down close to that middle of that 15-minute range. We do have the VWAP sitting at 175.50. Underneath that 175, we have a pivot point, 149.25. So
I'd like to see a flag.
You and me both right now. Let's A++ setups. And not trying to give my profits back to the market makers today.
And we got to also remember something about the middle. What is it that we
do not diddle in the middle. It's not worth it. Trust me. I've done it plenty of times and it always ends badly. So let me make the mistake so you don't have to, okay? Come on, Betsy. Oh. Give us something. My mom's coming over. My mom and dad are coming to my house today. They're bringing me a cheesecake for my birthday.
Oh, my goodness. And you know what? If your mother made
your birthday, Duane? Today?
No, my birthday was on Sunday.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Birthday was on Sunday. So my girl used that as the excuse for me to take my family to Mexico. Like, oh, we should go do something for your birthday. I'm like, oh, you want to go back to Mexico? I'm like, ah. Like, normally I just want to sit in the house on my birthday and do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's my vibe. Doing nothing on your birthday, that's the gift to myself. But she got me. She said Mexico, and we like Mexico, so we had to go.
Your mother made that cheesecake, so I know it's going to be the bomb.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be delicious. Excited for that. I was over at their place yesterday and she was making it, getting it ready. What was that?
Is it a regular, like this, like a regular cheesecake?
Yeah, a plain Jane, vanilla.
Vanilla? Okay.
Yep.
But I mean, his mother makes some like cakes and stuff. I mean, she's like gotten so much better since I've last seen it. And now it's like crazy stuff. I can only imagine.
Welcome everyone on the stream. Appreciate you guys tuning in with us, hanging out. Hopefully you guys are up for the day. Your boy is up almost $4,000 for the day.
We're building a flag on the 1 minute. Maybe. Now keep that green, sucker.
I want to see the flag personally on the 2 minute.
Okay, yes, you and me both, but we're doing what we need to do.
Want to see the flag on the 2 minute. Gives me a little bit more warm and fuzzies, I would say, and more confidence, because on that 1 minute, I'll actually switch over and let me get my mouse on this chart. So I will say this, because I have not been looking at the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, it did give the bear flag right there. It did give that bear flag. Because on the 2 minute, we have no bear flags. So I will say that could have been, if you were looking at that low time frame of the 1, you could have caught that quick little waterfall down.
I like to have the 1 and the 2 minute and the 5 minute all open. So because I have a big enough monitor, that way I could just like pop over.
Yeah.
Steve, do you have a 49-inch monitor?
Whoa, awkward.
No,
That's why
I
I
mean,
said
it's
monitor
not-
at the end.
Damn,
No
that's
Diddy.
great.
No Diddy.
No Diddy. You have a 49-inch
it-
monitor?
No, it's not like that big, but it's big enough. Like I've learned from editing, like if you have too big, it's too much real estate. But this is like the perfect size.
Nice.
I can see everything without like going crazy, and everything's big enough.
Nice. I have 34 ultra wides.
Yeah,
Nice.
I have the one. My monitor has like a slight curve in it, so it's not flat.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, that's what mine do. I have two ultra wide curved.
Yeah, so that's why it kind of is perfect for what I'm doing, and
That's cool.
Listening to you guys talk about monitor, I need to finally finish my build. But
Yeah,
I've
you
just
got the
been so
money for
comfortable using my laptops.
well, I mean, the main thing is like what I would do is I'd get your setup there, and I'd weaponize your laptop so wherever you go when you're traveling, you have that set.
Yeah. I've been slightly hesitant, honestly, only because I don't want to lose my Renko bars that I use on my one laptop that I execute the trades on.
You don't have to.
No, but you don't have to, because you showed me the wrinkle bars. I have your wrinkle bars now. Exactly.
Okay.
What you can do is you can also plug in your laptop to a monitor.
True.
I was
At
just,
first-
that's definitely, I had like a portable editing setup that I'd plug in.
That's what I used to do before I got my Mac Mini.
Yeah.
I had a
I forgot he's an Apple dude.
yeah, I love Apple.
Same here. I trade. I have.
Apple, baby.
I'm using like Old Faithful, I call it, a laptop from like 10 years ago to execute trades on.
Hey, Apple.
No, this is a Dell. This is like one of my first computers, but
Nice.
it's just been money. I've only used it for work back in the day.
It's a Commodore 64.
No, stop, Steve. I used to have a Commodore.
8-bit
hilarious.
sucker.
My friend used to come over. He was like, "Hey, can I play with your computer?" You had one game on it. He had a floppy disk on it.
Yeah, that's
Like,
old school, boy, with them floppy disks. Shit.
Dwayne's got the dot matrix printer, so he's like, let me print the tickets.
Pretty much. You ain't lying. How's everyone feeling on the streams? I know Legacy, we're just vibing, we're chilling, we're making money.
I'm waiting for that 1 minute, because it's actually, there's a little noise, but it's definitely building out that bear flag. So
Yep, just waiting for the bear flag to play out for us.
can you move your line so maybe it would?
Well, I can't, because if I move the line, I'll accidentally jump in. Oh. All right, here we go. Starting to get some action down. We got the VWAP right below us here. VWAP currently sitting at, well, we just went right through the VWAP. It was at 177. We just pushed right through it. Let's see how we react, because once we get through the VWAP, we got the pivot point below us. And we're going right to it. 149.25, 149.25 for that pivot point, gentlemen.
I got 149.50. Oh, it's okay.
We're in the ballpark.
If it loses that pivot, what's the next thing on the downside you see?
We lose that pivot, then I want to see us break out this 15-minute range, which is right below that pivot point.
Yeah, absolutely. Good call.
Once we break out that 15-minute range to the low side, I got my first target at 94.50.
For it to go up or down?
Down. But just want to get through this pivot point. We're literally coming back down from the push up that we had from this morning at 8:30. So once we get below the news candle from this morning, it's anybody's game. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know what? I'm going to draw a vertical line up from that because that's a good call. That's exactly. G and I both made a lot of money on that when it came out. I know he did.
What?
Big G, you're a legend. Like on 8:30 news, you're just like on it.
Andre, welcome back, sir. Just seeing your chat. I'm looking at multiple things. Tomorrow, I'll have all my chats all in one, so I don't have to click in between chats.
How are you doing that? Like,
there's a software that I'll be able to use, and it's like web-based, so it puts all your chats in one. So I could be streaming on TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, whatever I want. And I'll put all the chat feeds all in one.
okay, so yeah, so that way you're not like somebody says something and it's like you got to click the window.
Yeah. And I would actually, if I truly wanted to, I would almost be able to put the chat like on the screen as well.
That would be kind of cool to have that interactive. Hey, but I mean, the thing is I have a question. Are you a robot? You know, it really makes sense.
Sometimes I'm a robot, sometimes I'm not. You know, when I take a bad trade, that means I was not a robot. I'm just waiting for a move here to put some more money in this take profit account.
That was you on the dance floor.
It's going in between that VWAP. It's going up and down between that VWAP.
Listen, I'm staying out the chop. That's my only goal for today, is to stay out the chop.
I'm telling you, there's an element of that for sure.
Because I've gotten chopped up so many times where, like, I told myself, I'm 35 now, I'm older. You know what I'm saying? I'm older, I'm more wise.
Okay, yeah, 35 is wisdom? Holy shit, I missed that mark. It cuts deep and you're like, yeah, I'm in Mexico. And there's an older couple. I'm thinking, you know, like older, like 65, 70. They were like late 40s.
Late 40s.
Oh, you know, ouch.
Well, I will say the lady looked way older. Like,
Oh, yeah.
they looked like they had some time on them. All right, so for today,
So she's 40s, but she's was rode hard and put away wet, I tell you.
You go it up.
well, Andre, I appreciate you feeling like I'm a great teacher and real wise. You know, Andre, for the legacy, just so you guys know, he killed it yesterday. He did $1,300 on gold once he realized and got his trading view fixed, where he was seeing the live data finally. So
I've been hearing you talk about gold a lot. Duane, are you gonna switch over to that?
I am not. I've only been talking about it a little bit more, only because we got people now in the community that's what they trade as well. So I want to be as inclusive as possible. You know.
So, I agree. Like, there's certain things that absolutely inclusivity.
So I could include looking at some charts on gold here and there to see what they're looking at. You know what I'm saying? And for everyone on the chats, everyone on the streams, please go ahead and hit the like button. Help your boy out. We crossed over 70,000 views last night. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys for helping us get there. Music just ended. Guys, rotate to the next one. Got that big old wick right now on the 2 minute. We're waiting to see what we get here. Like, I'm in no rush. I'm literally up over $4,000 today. And I'm just waiting.
On the 1 minute, I'm seeing, it was like balancing on the 21 EMA.
Pulled up the 1 minute right there. Let's check it out.
But it's like that previous candle was sitting right on that 21.
I see a bull flag forming on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
That's our flag that I'm trying to build. And we got legs on it as well.
Order filled.
Order.
What's up, clothing? Yep, we secured the bag today, man. We secured the bag. We're trying to one day at a time. Listen, the reason why I named our community Legacy Wealth Society is to build legacy. It takes time. This isn't get rich quick overnight. Could we get rich very quickly? Yes. But it's not completely overnight. You got to put the time in on the charts, time learning your strategy, and time working on yourself in order to get to where you want to be. Like, I'm just excited because I know where we're all going. And that's what gets me excited each and every day. Andre, you looking for a position on gold? Well, I'm glad you think I'm smart, clothing. I appreciate that. Don't tell my girl. She'll probably say something contrary. Like, just so you guys know, I'm having another late night training hangout tonight. We're not trading, we're just hanging out. We'll probably start at 9 o'clock tonight. We were on stream last night as well. It was just great vibes, great conversations, and just a lot of fun. So if you need entertainment, these trading sessions, this isn't where the entertainment's going to happen. I'm going to be real. We're focused. We're locked in. We're looking for the move. I'm currently looking for this bull flag to pay us.
Look, we're
because,
curious. You know,
I see a bull flag coming.
Look, I mean, speaking for myself, I'm always very serious because this is important stuff. But
this is money. You know what I'm saying? This is money. We don't play with money. We securing bags. We're starting to push up here.
After hours, when I let my hair down.
Oh, same here. We're coming up to the high of this 15-minute range. Let's see if we break out again here. All right, we just broke out. Let's see if we pull back down slightly. I want a flag. We have not got a clean flag.
I know, it's kind of weird.
Well, on QQQ, sir, we're looking for a potential bull flag. But we're also using the momentum here where I could take a scalp if I see solid momentum. That's all we need, solid momentum. Starting to get that pullback for a second there.
Got 1 minute on the 5 minute, so hopefully it'll close and build.
All right, so we're starting to run. We got the overnight high right above us, 264.75. I just want to see just a slight pullback. Beggars can't be choosers, but just saying, I need a flag. I need a flag. I need warm and fuzzies right now. Come on, Bears. Step on in here. Push us down. I need a red candle here on the 2 minute. All right, there we go. Starting to get that red candle. Less than a minute left on the candle. So as long as the Bears could keep it red, I'll be happy. Yes, sir. I am trading the Nasdaq clothing, but the patterns we're looking for and the momentum that we're looking for happens on the Forex as well. The strategy I put together, you can trade anything you want and use it, and it'll work for you. like I said, I'm trying to make this simple for people. So the way I put the strategy together was so that way anybody could use it and it actually work for them.
They didn't hold that red candle for you.
It did not. Slightly annoying, but looking at the higher time frame on the 5, we're still a red candle. So that gives me some happiness.
Well, I admire your patience, sir. You know, the cut of your jib, because it's just like, it's tight right here to just sit and watch this thing for 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
It is, and I don't know, when I was traveling, I realized I did some reflecting on myself. You know what I'm saying? And I realized, what was that?
You were looking in the mirror again?
I was looking in the mirror, saw I need to lose a couple pounds, but I also realized that I've been rushing when there's no rush to this. So the bad trades I've taken, it's because I was rushing. Because I was thinking, I'm like, man, I'll take a bad trade, and then less than a minute later, the market does exactly what I saw it trying to do. I was just early. So I'm like, let me just slow down, pull back just slightly, and have a little bit more patience. So I can execute the trades that I see, but the entries will be cleaner now.
Yeah.
We're sitting right above this 15-minute high. Make sure you guys are liking the streams, please. This is all free. So if you could just like it for your brother, I would definitely appreciate it. We're trying to get this to be the biggest and the best trading channel on YouTube, where people are getting real results. Come on, market. The market makers may be watching, so be careful. Are we going to get a flag? I need a solid flag here. Well, Pete Clothing, I know the market makers, they be watching the stream, man. Like if I put my line on the chart right there, I apologize. It's holding the market down right now. We're trying to go higher.
Let's go higher.
We have just over a minute and some change left on the 5-minute candle.
It's going to be awesome.
We're above the 15-minute range. We're above the 15-minute range. They'll be knocking on your door soon. I hope not. I hope not. All right, so we just cleared those previous wicks, but we're still at that on my line. So I want to jump in for a buy, but we got to push away from the line. All right, there's a slight push. Right back down to the line pretty much. Just hit that overnight high, the 264.75. Let's see if we get the momentum. I'm waiting for a clean momentum here, gentlemen, on the Renko bars. We have not gotten it yet.
But we're trying.
It's trying, but like I said, I'm woosah, having the patience, you know?
You're over there like looking in the mirror, reflecting on yourself over there.
Trying to. I'm not perfect, never will be, but I can always try to be better.
No, and you know, and trading is something that every day, if you're not like making you like it's either going to make you a better person or a worse person. You're going to be angry because you're like being instant, you know, you're just kind of being impulsive, or you're actually learning something. I know it's done things in my life that nothing else has, you know, for, you know, in the scope of time that I've been doing it.
We're above the yellow line. Trading is the best thing that anyone can do. It'll make you a better person because you have to look at yourself when you make a mistake. You can't blame someone else. because you're the only person clicking the button.
That's right. More people in this world need true accountability.
Yep, 100%. And the lack of accountability in this world currently, that's why we have all this craziness going on. No one holds the people accountable.
That's right. That is right.
For the legacy crew, if you're winning, if you're losing today, make sure you put it in the discussion so we can all see what's going on. Because if you're having a bad day, someone else may have a bad day. And when they see, man, someone else had a losing day too, both y'all can feel better together. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, be like, let's go get a coffee and cry.
All right, starting to get that momentum up, but we're consolidating, and I don't like this. I need fast action here.
I think it needs to at least clear where those other candles had at a range at 25 to 80, just because it kind of capped there. You know, the wicks went up, but it's got to at least break that on that 5 minute. Consolidation is an odd sensation. Come on. It's ready to roll now. It's gonna.
It wants to, but I'm getting ready to close this one out if we don't get the move up.
Wow. What? Damn.
Yeah, I closed that one. Don't like that pullback it just did right down to the high of that 15-minute range right there. So let's see if we bounce off of this now. And I'll re-enter. We have that selling pressure on that 5 minute. I was not watching that 5 minute right there. I was hyper focused on the Renko bars. Delroy, welcome to the stream, sir. Hey, each day we get to come back and do it again. I'm currently up for the day. I trade multiple accounts. Peak Clothing, they were watching. They saw me enter the trade. They're like, we got to go down now. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. But looking at my 2 minute chart here, once we get above, there we go. Just got above that high from last night. Andre, we're all learning. Each day's a learning experience. Good or bad. You know what I'm saying? If you take a bad trade, that doesn't mean you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. You just got to sharpen the tools. Because as we can see right here, technically, I hate being in drawdown. So I rather close a trade and re-enter because I feel like we're getting ready to pop.
It almost tried to touch that whole number, you remember?
Yep.
Gotta clear that wick, man.
Close out. I don't like that candle going red on me, but cleaned up like $100.
Well, it's like noodling, you know? It's
Yeah, I don't like the noodles. I don't like the noodling. Okay. I watched PW back in the day as well. I trade Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. each and every day. And then we have a traders hangout a couple times a week at night when we're just vibing, talking about life and answering questions, where I can focus more on the chat, because when we're trading, first order of business is to make the moolah. You know what I'm saying?
Make the cash in the stash. Gonna break that whole number? All right, let's see what we got.
All right, just cleaned up a little bit more right there. Quick, short profits. When I'm trying to clean up an account, I size down, and I'm just trying to get quick profits. All right, clothing. Appreciate you tuning in, man. Delroy. Well, sir, this is a special hack I found for trading. These are called Renko bars. So the bottom two charts you see on the stream, those are the standard bars that every trader uses. And then up top, those are the Renko bars. And we use that for confirmation of the moves that we're trying to take. Because right now I see a potential bull flag forming. Let's jump up there. Gold selling again. Andre, if it's selling again, make that money, man. You already know what to do. Did you watch the strategy video in the community? I need that. How you charging? Well, Delroy, I gotta break it to you, man. I don't know if you could afford it. It's not you as me. Currently, for the community, it's completely free to join. End of this year, I'm gonna be charging, not the members that are already in, but any new members that want to join. Only because I've gotten so much information from the members saying how much value they're getting from it and that I should charge. So if the community's telling me that, I gotta listen, but I'm still gonna make it super cheap. I'll probably charge like
$18,000 a day.
Not that. I'll probably charge like $20 a month or something like that.
We can't tell them. Hold on. We can't tell them. We gotta keep them in suspense.
Okay, I'll keep it in suspense. But it'll be cheaper than getting coffee each week from Starbucks.
Because then when we go cheaper, they're gonna be like, hey, I thought it was cheaper. You know?
Well, I may do like a tier system. Like, since talking to the community right now as well, think about doing like a tier system for everyone that's not part of like the founders group, which is the free membership, completely free right now. I'll probably charge like to become, just to get into the community, like $19 a month, something like that. And then from there could be other packages. I'm not even sure yet. I'm not even sure. Right now, I'm giving everything away from free. I'm Oprah. I'm Oprah of the trading communities. You get a membership. You get a membership. Everyone gets a membership. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I've been here since day one, sucker.
And your membership is always free, sucker. All right. All right.
I was here maybe day 67.
Delroy, if you want to join the community, you gotta first subscribe and like this channel and the stream, and then let me know when that's done, and then I'll tell you how to join. You know what I'm saying? I got you. All right, are we going to build structure for this flag here? All right, Delroy said it's done. Do I need to go check it? I'll check it, sir. But if you just go to the link in the bio or the description of the streams, click the link for the Legacy Wealth Society, and then click Founders Group. The Founders Group is completely free. You could thank me later. Andre, the price definitely will go up, you know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, we're giving so much value, and people will take it serious when they actually have to put something on the line. Because we don't want people just joining the community just to sit around. I want everyone active in the discussion, posting their wins, posting their losses, and coming on to the streams so they can be learning each and every day. Because at the end of the day, I already know what I'm doing for the most part. I don't know everything, but for the most part, I get how to do this consistently. And every trader, if you're trading with a prop firm or trading with your own personal account, every trader is just simply trying to win. And what we're doing, we're literally showing people the easiest way to win at trading. Because let me go back to the other chat, because I spoke with Andre yesterday, and he was so happy because he was on one stream, asked a question, was able to get his problem solved. Next day, $1,300.
1,300 buckaroonies.
And the crazy thing is, he wasn't doing anything wrong. It was something that on the back end, he just needed a change, and that's what took him. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited. I'm excited to see where we're all going. Trying to see if we get this bull flag here. The yellow line is acting as resistance right now. Who would have known? Who would have known?
This thing is crawling.
Want to see we push? If not, I'll close this out. We're right here at that whole number. So we just rejected off of it. Feel like we want to retest it a little bit more. That 300, that was the first original target we had on the charts this morning. We get above that 300, Next target is all the way up to the pivot point. Stopped out right there. Slightly annoying because it is what it is. Let's rotate. What time is it? 10:46.
10:46.
10:46. Let's see. Which account should I trade? Let me double check that one. If we get the move, I'll take another trade on it. Once I can find it here. Struggle to trade in multiple accounts. If we get the move, we get the move. It won't let you click it? Okay. I'll pull it up for you, Delroy. I'll put it in the chat for you.
Finding resistance on the 1 minute 21 EMA.
Why did I do that? That's weird. Oh, that's not what I was trying to click.
You're gonna do some kind of free fall here?
It's waterfalling, but it was an unexpected waterfall. We rejected off of that 300 level. There's the link right there for you, sir, Delroy. Just put it in there. Andre, I don't know where you'd be either without the sauce. You know what I'm saying?
So your mother's bringing you a custom cake, but it's made out of beef because you're carnivore, right?
No, she's bringing me a legit cheesecake, But
it's Atkins style. It's made out of bacon fat and chili sauce.
I'm slightly mad at I'm not mad at myself. I was too hyper focused. I was focusing on my Renko bars because we missed out on a beautiful bear flag. Look at this 2-minute right here. I wasn't even paying attention. But that's a bear flag right there. Hindsight's always 20/20. But that was a whole bear flag that I completely missed out on. I apologize. Because if I missed it, I know some of you guys missed it. Don't go chasing it. Do not go chasing it. It's not worth it.
What are you talking about? If you see the momentum, you get in it.
True, but I was expecting us to push through that 300 and go to the pivot.
Stop talking about the 300, sucker. Get back in the game. There's people watching you right now from around the world.
As you guys can see, me and Steve go way back. Way back. He's the only person that could ever call me a sucker on my own stream. Jive turkey.
Just get back in the game, baby.
Yep. So right now, the market always repeats itself. So we just had one bear flag. Let's potentially look for the next bear flag.
You know, as you were starting your sentence, it almost looked like it was about to make one at the 2 minutes. So I got my line there.
Want a bear flag down in this area. Let's see if we get that flag. Because the flags pay the bills at the end of the day. The flags pay the bills. Need the bulls to push this up. Nothing crazy. We don't want a big push up. Just enough to give us structure for the flag.
Yeah, just it's kind of like making like a little dam just to build up that pressure and kicking it down so it can't stop again.
But do not go chasing the short until you see the pattern. Because when you chase it, that's when you get hurt. So do not chase it, gentlemen.
Try not to.
There we go. We're starting to build that flag. Let's get some structure here. We want some nice structure on the flag here so we could enter and make some money.
Money.
I need the bulls to step in here. I love waterfalls, but when it comes to this, right now, I want to see that flag get built before we drop down to that VWAP. Because we got the VWAP down there at right around the 191. 191 is the area for the VWAP currently.
And we do have that whole number we got to keep an eye on too.
We do have the whole number. Less than 10 points away from that whole number.
We do have that middle. Where is the true middle of this thing?
The middle of this 15-minute range is currently sitting right at 197.75. 197.75.
So we got a whole lot of things going on in a small area.
We do.
Because you know what you say about the middle.
Don't diddle in the middle.
What was that?
Do not diddle.
Can you repeat that one more time for the back of the class?
For the people in the back of the class, for the people in the back of the chat that's not really talking in the chat, do not diddle in the middle of the 15-minute range. That is the ultimate chop zone. Literally. Taking trades in the middle of the 15-minute range is you're just asking to get chopped up.
Well, you're just gambling at that point. In a lot of cases.
We got a lot of selling pressure still. We got these wicks on top of these candles. Delroy, were you able to get into the community? Were you able to get signed up, sir, for the free membership? It was funny. On one of the late night hangouts, some dude came in. He's like, oh, you're a scam. You charge for your community. I'm like, well, that's weird because there's a whole option to sign up for completely free. So I don't know who's scamming free. That's kind of crazy.
He's mad. He's mad it's free.
I don't know. Why would someone be mad that something's free, though? Everyone likes free.
Maybe he got lots of money. We need that.
Touching that VWAP.
All right. We just pushed right through the VWAP right there. We didn't get that bear flag. This thing's straight waterfalling.
That next
trying to, at least.
149. Where's G? He's got to be dancing.
I'm right here. I'm watching it.
Oh, he's more sedate. I thought he'd be excited. Order filled.
Almost. Welcome to the stream, everyone. If you're new, put new in the chat so we can welcome you. We're just hanging out. We're coming up to 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock here for the time. Your boy's going to be getting off in a little bit. This thing's waterfalling. we got that pivot point down at the 150 level. Let's see if we build a bear flag maybe underneath this VWAP. I want some type of flag. If you guys want to join the Legacy Wealth Society, click the link in the chats. Click the founders group, completely free. We're building the best trading community on the internet.
You're here. This is, I'll tell you what, this group is only, I mean, I value my time a lot, and it's just like to have you guys here with me, like trading. It's a high point of my day. I wouldn't do it just with anybody.
We appreciate that, Steve.
Who's we? Are you a schizophrenic?
Depends on the day. Depends on the day. You'll see a little snippet of my crazy slide in the first vlog I'm dropping later today. When you get to that, when you see it, make sure you comment crazy or something. That lets me know you watched to that part.
I'm ready to see like that stuff, but you gotta like you gotta drop the clip, man.
Oh, I'm gonna be dropping the clip.
Oh, you best make it, drop it.
I'm gonna be dropping the clip, and then I'll actually. No, I did it last night. I didn't. You know what? I'm looking at the charts, but I'm not really trying to trade right now. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show you guys a little snippet. I'm gonna show you guys a snippet of one of the vlogs that will be dropping after the one that drops today. And we got a bear flag, by the way. Hold on. Hold my sparkling water. We got a bear flag playing. Looking at that 2 minute, that's a bear flag.
Yeah, I saw it, and it broke the line and popped right back in. But is it gonna feel that 49?
Let's see what we do here.
Come on, Bessie. Come on. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, we're waiting. We're waiting. I'm trying to see if we get this momentum.
We're gonna.
Let's go, Betsy. Take us lower. Go ahead, girl. You can do it. Come on, Betsy. There we go. All righty, we're done with that trade. We're done. I can focus back on showing you guys what I was trying to show y'all.
Do it.
All righty, I'm back. Oh, sorry about that.
Hey,
I had let the.
I jumped in on that trade too, Duane.
Good job, sir. How much you get? How much you get? And we're still dropping here. We're dropping like it's hot. First time breaking out this 15-minute range to the low side here, gentlemen. Awesome. Awesome. Hopefully you guys caught that move there on the QQQ. Andre, you go ahead, boy. No one's going to I want to see you get that. I want to see you get that. This thing's straight waterfalling right now, gentlemen. I was getting ready to show you a video, but man, the way it's waterfalling right now.
You know what it's like? It's like when you have to like text somebody in your car and you say, "Oh, get it at a red light," so you hit every green light. Like it's like 436 or 434, no problem. 1792, just green light. It's like, okay.
Well, I'm officially done trading with that. With that last one, I'm officially done. The market can do whatever it wants. It can keep going lower. It does not matter. I'm locking in my profits for the day. That's the only way to be able to come back tomorrow. Let me... display capture. Window capture. Alrighty. Alrighty, let me play this for you guys here. So on one of the vlog video, not the one that drops today, but the one that drops later this week, I muted it so you can't hear what we're saying, but we were driving through the jungle and two girls flipped their side by side. They flipped their side by side, and of course, you know, being the biggest guy out there, everyone was looking at me like, hey, what we gonna do? And I'm like, we gonna roll this bad boy back over. And mind you, the people we flipped it right there, they were done. They were like, okay, we're good. We flipped it, but we still didn't have enough room to get past it. You know what I'm saying? So you know what? I started pulling that front side. The guy started helping me pull that front side, and we get it off. But the guys in the back, they were struggling, as you saw there. So I had to come up there and just yank that bad boy off the rock so we could keep it moving.
I didn't see any of that.
You didn't see any of that? I can back it up right there. You know what I'm saying? Like,
no, but it's not showing on the legacy stream.
Oh, I apologize.
I mean, I thought you were like setting up the clip.
No, it was playing. You guys should be able to see it.
You see the charts.
No, we can't see it.
Okay, sorry, Legacy. My apologies, sir. Let me get that fixed for you guys because I want you guys to see it as well.
Like, you know, like giving the scene, like somebody flipped, and then I'm gonna play the clip now that I moved the scene.
I got you guys right here. Hold on. It's only gonna be on with you guys. The other people just saw it, so I don't need to show them again. All right, so you guys see that?
Yeah, I can see side by side.
All right, cool. Let me play it for you guys real quick. Let you guys peep the beast in action.
Yeah, you pressed it. You're like, you pick it over, and you're like, no, I'm gonna do 5 reps, sucker.
No, we didn't do 5 reps. We did not do 5 reps. That would have been kind of crazy. Market's still selling off here. Still selling off. But we rolled it. I'm on the front yanking that bad boy off the cliff that's like hanged up on. The guys in the back, as you see, they're struggling right there.
The string beans in the back.
So I had to go over there and just pull that bad boy off. You know what I'm saying? Shit, just completely manhandle that bad boy.
How did they flip that thing on that trail, man? That's crazy.
Well,
whoa.
We're still selling off, everybody. We're still selling off.
But the people, were they not paying attention? They're probably taking a selfie or something.
No, so what it was, where they flipped, it could have happened to literally anyone if they're not paying attention, because we were getting ready to go down into a cave, right? Yeah. But right before you start going down, they had a little rock wall on the right-hand side.
Yeah.
Almost like right on the, so they must have gone too far to the right and caught the rock wall.
Yeah.
And kept going. So they kept going, so they were up like that, and then it just finally rolled over on them.
I won't let him drive when I off-road.
Oh, 100%.
And I'm surprised they didn't offer you a
100%.
job.
Buyers trying to step in right here. They may be trying to build out another bear flag because, you know, they got to push the market up so it can keep coming down, gentlemen. This is not rocket science. This is simple patterns, simple momentum, and we make money each and every day by using it.
You know, Duane, I'm up 2,400 on one and then 2,700 on the other.
That, Moose, that sounds amazing. You know what I'm going to say, though? I don't believe it till I see in the discussion. It didn't happen if it's not in the discussion.
I'll put it up right now.
You know, so until my eyes can see it, I don't believe it. That's just me. That's just me, gentlemen. It's like back in the day, like if you didn't have, it's trying to make a bear flag on the 2-minute right now. It's trying to. We got tons of selling pressure. I want to know what happened and what came out, because this is, with how it's selling off, is kind of crazy.
Modified? No.
Through that whole number. Come on, if we break that, let's keep moving.
Let me see. Should I rotate? Because I'll add a little bit more to it. Let's see. We do have that second target right below us. Second target for the day to the low side is the 43 level. The 43 level 43. Is the second target. I want to see another flag, though, for me to enter in. Because just on my Tradeify accounts, just on Tradeify accounts today, we're up over $4,000. We're up for the day over $5,000 total between Take Profit and Tradeify today. So we'll gladly take that. Andre, I'm glad you're in it. Tomorrow the stream will be way better for you guys over on the regular stream, because I'll be able to see all the chats all at once. So my interaction between the chats will be way better. But I appreciate all you guys just vibing up with us, making money with us. This thing's still selling off here. Just straight craziness. We got that 43 level. 43 is the next hit. You okay over there, Moose?
Yeah. My cat fucking around.
Oh. No, you said that just as the market popped up.
I know, that's why I thought he was in a trade.
No.
Still coming on down. I'm probably just gonna get ready to call it because I'm already up for the day, and I don't want to over trade and mess up accounts, everything like that. But look at this waterfall. Like, I want to see something. I want to see some type of pop up. Decisions.
I think it's too lucrative for you to pass up, but you gotta pay attention. You love it. Get a new eval and get in. Get a new eval and then trade it and show us what you could do.
Those are almost like fighting words.
Oh yeah, everybody on YouTube, you should get it to chat and tell them to get an eval so it can keep going, right? Come on, somebody back me.
Do not back Steve. Do not back Steve.
Well, you don't want to back the legacy of success?
We got five. I'm gonna do 5 more minutes on the stream. Well, actually, no. 11:20. I'll be getting off here because I'm not trying to sit on these charts much longer. Only because
when you
I don't want an accident to happen. I don't feel like holding the wall to keep me in a trade. Okay.
I'm just asking you, like, in terms of what's that code you're gonna use when you buy that eval?
For the people that want to trade with Tradeify, use code LWS, all caps, and that will get you the best discount with them that they have going on at any time. Make sure you use code LWS. Welcome to the stream. If you're new here, put new in the chat so I can welcome you guys personally. We're getting ready to be getting off here at 11:20, made over $5,000 a day. And there's really no need to just keep looking at this market, even though it is selling off. It is tempting. Not gonna lie, we pushed through that second target. Next target now is all the way down 991. Wow, look at this thing coming down. We're coming down to the close from yesterday, 95875. So we literally are filling the gap from yesterday from the overnight session pushing up. Craziness. Gotta love it. Legacy, as always, I enjoyed our conversations today. They're always fun. I love it. Tonight, Legacy, if you guys are available, it's on YouTube. It's only on the YouTube vertical stream. We do the Traders Hangout. So feel free if you guys want to jump on, chit chat, taking a bath, whatever you want to call it. We'll take it. Andre, you made your money? If you made money today, even if you lost money, put it in the discussion. Appreciate all you guys tuning in. We hit over 70,000 views last night. And that is crazy to me. Mind you, I just started taking this YouTube stuff seriously right before I went to Portugal back in July. Mind you, in August, I had literally like 30 subscribers. Only like 30. We now have we're getting closer and closer each and every day to that 400 subscriber mark. And that's all within the past couple months without you guys. So I appreciate all you guys tuning in, supporting the channel, supporting the Legacy Wealth Society with its free membership. Trying to build the best place for traders to go to get real results, because we want the results. We're all trading because we want to see success, and we're not trying to sit around just for fun looking at charts all day.
No, there's a critical mass in that. Like, if you're doing that, you're just making yourself like mushy.
Yep. All right, so we passed through that third target. Next target is the 95875. 95875.
The 96675. That must be the same.
My whole thing is whenever moves like this happens, like I'm always nervous because I never want to go short at the bottom when it pops right back up like 60 points. You know what I'm saying? Those are the worst ones.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, we're coming on down. All right, I did add some more to that. Quick $600, a little bit over 6.
I was in the negative, but I made like 1,000 on that. But I'm up like 200, 300 right now.
Hey, green is green, sir. Green is green. Put it in the discussion. I don't believe it till I see it. I'm like everybody back in the day. If it's not Facebook official, it's not real. You know what I'm saying?
Wow, that was the biggest drop ever. Like, yo, whoa.
We made new lows as well. We did make new lows. 95275 is the new lows.
That was a fan right.
But the way the Bulls pushed it right back above the close from yesterday. Nervous, slightly nervous.
What is something happened? Something happened, bro. This shit is dropping. Oh my god.
Love it.
Oh my god.
Gee, you're awesome. You're awesome.
Steve, I hope you make some money.
We're making some money.
Oh, that's what I like to hear. That's what we do in Legacy.
That's Legacy right there. Looks like it's pushing up now, so we're gonna get a flag finally.
Welcome to the stream, sir.
Oh yeah, let me switch. I want to see if I can make a little something on my growth account. That was a big job.
Good moves today. We may be doing another bear flag right there. Let's see what we get.
Another bear flag?
The flags pay the bills, gentlemen. The flags pay the bills. And SLX, I'm sending you to the VIP room. So, I hope you enjoy, sir. All right, so SLX just got sent to the VIP room. I'm not going to accept profanity in my chat, on my chats.
What happened?
Oh, he was saying someone was an asshole, but we're not doing that.
Oh, so the VIP room, you don't want to be there. That's, I was like, wait.
Yeah, the VIP room is, you just got banned from the channel. Can't be on streams or anything.
Well, there's too many children that are just been around keyboards. You know, those of us that grew up like in the ancient of days.
No, 100.
It's like different, but I've had people talk smack to me like online, and it's like, listen.
Oh, I'm all for trolling, everything like that, but you're not just going to come in the chat and just drop like profanity. Like, that's what we're not doing.
Well, I'm sorry I said sucker.
Andre, that's awesome. Light 800, we'll take it, brother. Light 800, we'll take that all day long. Profit's profit. Well, gentlemen, it is officially 11:20. I appreciate all you guys tuning in, hanging out with us today. Legacy, it's always a pleasure. YouTube, always a pleasure with you guys too. Remember, tonight we're going to be having the traders hangout, 9 o'clock tonight. We're going to be vibing up. And then tomorrow morning we're back, 9:20 a.m. Friday. We're going to make some more dinero tomorrow. But tonight we're going to hang out and have some fun.
Yo, Duane, 9:30.
Yes, sir.
Saturday? I don't think I'm going to be here tomorrow.
What did you say?
9:30 Saturday, because I don't think I'm going to be here tomorrow.
9:30 Saturday. Yes, sir.
All right, sounds good.
Awesome. Well, everyone, have a great rest of your day. If I see you tonight, we'll continue the conversations then.
Hey, man, and you, and G, and Moose. Let me see. Okay, there's the 4 of us, and then also the man himself, his bad self. Thank you for everything.
No, of course. Well, I'll see you guys later today or tomorrow, gentlemen.
Wait, there's a 2-minute look. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks like it's trying to build a bear flag. The flags always
right.
repeat themselves, gentlemen.
It's waiting for you to repeat yourself.
No, it ain't waiting for me because I'm gone. I'm gone, gentlemen. I'm gone. I will see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day if I don't see you.
All right, later on.
All right, guys.